Cool. So let's see what is campaign and how exactly we can enable that in our URL. So there we go. So for campaign, you need two options which should be enabled. The first thing is you should have your bio page, and the second option is the it should be your public profile. Okay, so this is two barriers which are there to create campaign. So let's see the campaign. So for that, before we start creating the campaign, we need the bio page and the public profile. So let's click on this bio page. And as I told earlier, if you create your bio page and link this bio page in your Instagram channel and you follow Witrich, follow Altly, you will get additional 6 months. So let's start creating the bio page. So I'll click on create bio. The name can be Kenny for you, and I'll click on create. There we go. So we have our bio page over here. So you can add your own avatar over here by clicking on this area. So this is the bio page button and this is the bio page URL. So this is a different one, but if I want to customize this, I can do that. I can type anything over here, but I want it short and sweet. So I will just take the first letters of the bio page name, that is Kenny K for F and YU, KFY. So my name of my bio page URL is altly.in/KFY. Isn't it cool? Okay, so my bio page URL is created and this URL is now unique. No one else can use this. Now, let's go to social link. You can add social links over here. So Facebook. So let's say this is Facebook. I will just name this as just for a demo purpose. You have to take your own social media links over here. So facebook.com/Karan Khandekar will be my Facebook page. I will take this as Instagram and I will click on add. I will take X and I'll just go to x.com/Karan Khandekar. So these are the URLs which my social media platforms has. What after that? LinkedIn. So instead of X, I will type LinkedIn. And again, I'm saying this is just for demo purpose. When you're creating your bio page, please make sure you have your actual social media links, or else the user who will click on that social media link will get redirected to a wrong place. Okay, so this is my social media links are there now, but if you see they are not visible in the bio page. So this is a live demo of your bio page. So what we have to do is go to setting and set the position to top. So there we go. So you see your Facebook, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn. So if you don't want on top, you can keep it on bottom as well. So if you click on bottom, it will go to bottom. So bottom is like not this bottom. You will have some content over here. I will show that, but as of now, keep this on top. Okay. So social media is done. Let's go to the content area now and add a content. So let's give a headline and just open this. This is h1 tag. Hey, this is my bio page. Please feel free to. So this is randomly I'm typing this. This should not be your bio page. Browse BROWS browse. This should not be your headline of the bio page. The color of the text will be black, and here it will come. Here the bio page headline will come. It is not coming as of now because it is not in live mode. So as soon as you turn on the switch, this will come live once you click on save the changes. So there you go. Hey, this is my bio page. Please feel free to browse. So this is H1 now. If you want to change to H4, just change it to H4 and click on save changes, and boom, there we go. So you have the changes over there. Along with that, you have multiple options. It is tagline. You can add text, division, link, HTML tags. You can add image. If you can add two image in row column structure, but if you have only one, it will come as big one image. Then you have phone call. Then you have WhatsApp. Sorry, you have your V card. Like let's say if you go in V card and you save everything like Karan Khandekar. Your email will be like this. This is not my email address. Do not send anything over here. It will bounce back. Phone number can be this. Cell number can be this. Fax number can be this. My company is this. Site is www.witrich.com. My address is this is my address. Bangalore, zip code will be 560092. Country is India. Hello, India. And label, save my contact. And I'll just click on live and click on save changes. Okay, so anyone clicks on save my contact, for now it will show an error because this is not a real page, but I will show you that as well. So let's refresh this one first. Okay, so vcard is there. You can have a newsletter or FAQ or a contact form where you can add text, contact me, and this will be the email where the email will come if someone adds their information over here. Again, I will turn this on and click on save. So you can see contact me. If they open, the user has to enter the email address, the message, and once they click on send, this message will come to this email address. Okay, so this is how you can create all the things over here. There are a lot of things. You can add affiliate link, you can add your appointment scheduler, you can, if you're a restaurant, then you can add your table reservation, Google Map, then Facebook post, Instagram post, or whatnot. You can add your products as well, YouTube playlist. A lot of things are there which you can go and browse into this. Okay, so once this is done, so let's go to the next section where we can change the appearance of the page. So we have three layouts over here, header layouts, where one is only the your avatar and the name of the channel. Then we have the cover page, small cover page, and then we have a larger big cover page where we have this options like your avatar will come here and the social media icons or your name of the channel will come here, something like this. And we have some beautiful themes which you can use for this one. So if I click on this link or maybe this theme, you can see your look and feel of the page is totally changed. Okay, so and this is not only the option, you can have your custom fonts as well. Out of this, you can select any one font which goes good with your theme or the appearance. So if I click on this impact, so you can see the font is changed, but I don't see it good. I will go with this Roboto. Roboto is safe for always. You can see your buttons are also coming good. Then you can have the customization also. So as of now, the text color is white. You can select a different text color also from here. Let's say, just for example, I'm showing this as some purplish or something color, but white was good. So let's keep it white back again. And then we have custom background. So single color, gradient color, and image. So as of now, this is gradient. You can go with single color. You can change the gradient color if you don't like this specific color, and you can change the angle also. And if you don't like the color at all, you can use your custom image for this one. Then we have buttons. So buttons are this way. Button color is white and button text color is kind of red, maroon, or something like that. We have styles also, so you can select the button style. Rectangular is what it is as of now. Then we can have rounded. So this is how the rounded will look. Then we have transparent rectangular where there is a transparency, and we have transparent rounded. I like rounded a lot, so I will go with rounded. And shadows, I like hard shadows to be taken like this way. This looks good. You can change the shadow color also. Okay. So with this, for now, my bio page is ready. You can have a lot of things in this bio page. But as we are using a core plan, so if you go to settings and if you select other options, like if it is sensitive data, you can turn on the sensitive data option, cookies options, share icon. So if you turn on this share icon button, so you will have a specific share icon. As soon as the user clicks on this, they will have a QR code, the unique link of your page. Share this on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Reddit, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and share via email as well. So they have all the other options to do that. And remove branding. You can remove this altly branding from your bio page if you're a core user, and we are the core user. You can add a password to your bio page also, but doesn't make any sense. But yeah, in some cases you may need this, so you have this option as well. Rounded is your avatar style. You can go with rectangular also, whatever goes good for you, but for me as of now rounded is good. You can remove your avatar completely by turning off this option. In that case, only the name will come, but avatar gives a personalized touch to it, which user will like that. You have SEO meta title, meta description, and add a meta image also here. Sorry, not meta image, yeah. That is SEO image specifically which you have. You can use the same image which you are using as a avatar. Just make sure the image is less than 500 KB, or else it will not get uploaded in any of the place in the bio page. That is all. Then we have data. Once the data is get pulled over here, we can see the data also. And that is all. Once we click on save, so whatever changes we have done, we will make sure that everything is saved properly, and we'll click on view bio. So if you see this, this is how the bio page will look on the desktops. And if you use the same URL uh, over your mobile screens, it will be on a mobile responsive way. You can use this URL as your link in bio for Instagram. I am showing the screenshot for you, which is my Instagram page, and you can see this altly.in/Karan is my bio page for my Instagram. And if you click on that, you can see my bio page with other offerings which I have, few of the musics which are streaming on the Spotify, Apple, and other areas as well. Cool. So this is how the bio page is. So let's try clicking on this save my contact. Let's see what it's coming. Oh, there we go. We have vcard.vcf is downloaded now. So if you click this save my contact in your mobile device directly, it will open the contact information thing, and you just have to click on the save button, and all the details which are given in the contact form will be saved in your mobile device. Cool. So this is how the bio page is created. So yes, the bio page is created now, and we have to make our profile public. So I will go to public profile over here, and you can what is this? You have to make sure your public profile is set to by default bio page. Okay, then we'll come here and we'll click on this media gateway newsletter. I will turn everything on, and we'll click on save. Okay, so coming to bio page again. Yeah. Let's go to the campaign. Now it is showing me public profile is there and default bio page is not yet there. Yeah, so default. So I have to make this bio page a default bio page. So I'll click on this and I will set as default this one. So you can have 5 bio page, right? So in that 5 bio page, one should be default. So this is the default bio page for me now. And I can go to the campaigns now. You can see that specific option which shows public profile, and the default bio page is not there. So now we can start creating the campaigns. Okay, so yeah, this video was for campaigns, but we spent the entire time on creating the bio page and to see how exactly we can do our profile, public profile. So we'll stop this video here, and in the next video we will create our campaign. Cool, then see you in the next video.